I am saving my fourth page of web page. This is feedback form. I make this only used of HTML. This is doc type HTML tag. It tells the browser that it is an HTML5 document. This is HTML tag. It is root of the page. This is head tag. It gives page information like meta and title. This is meta tag. It gives the information about the web page to browser and search engine. This is used for responsive design. And title tag shows page title like this my web page title. This is body tag. It contains all visible content of a page. Header tag. It is top section of a page. Center tag used to align text or content in center of a page. H1 tag used for heading. U tag used for underline. Nav tag used for navigation link. It helps user to move one section to or part one section or pages to other section or pages. This is anchor tag used for link, and href is address of link, and this is so on page like this. Here main tag contains central content of a page. Here center tag, again image tag used for image, src, source, attribute. It shows the address of image, link address of image. This is alt attribute. It is alternative name of image. And this is height. It adjusts image size. And here form tag. It contains form. Uh, it contains form content, whole form content. Here I use comment out. This is shown in code but not so on the page. Here label is used to define a text label for a form. Input used to take different types of user input. Here ID and name identify the form, and placeholder shows hint text inside the field. Here BR tag used for line break. Same. Here section tag. Section tag is used for drop-down list, and option tag used for individual drop-down choice. Here value defines what data will be sent. And again BR tag, same here. Input, same. Here type is radio, means radio button used for uh, single correct, used for one choice. And same here. This is same label tag. Here this is input tag, same. Here input tag type checkbox used for multiple choices. And here same. And here footer. It contains section of page. Usually contains copyright, contact, and social links. That's it.